Hello everyone, I have a unboxing of Graveyard Offerings mystery box. This is the Universal Monsters mystery box. So I have no idea what's in here, but I just like her mystery boxes, so I ordered another one, and I have two more coming. That means I really like it. Here is a note from her, which is showing you her Instagram, her TikTok, her Facebook, and her website. So let's take a peek at what's inside. Get my life together here with one hand. Okay, looks like we have either a bracelet or an anklet here. Yes! Classic Monsters. Let me open this up. Look how good this is. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I love it, I love it, I love it, Leah. Thank you so much. This is going to be a new fave for me. I am the Classic Monsters chick. My son likes Michael, my daughter likes Freddy. I like them all too, but I'm a classic. Wait a minute, what is that? Oh, I don't know what that is, but I love it. Alright, I have Creature from the Black Lagoon pin. I do love a pin. Anyone who knows me knows I love a pin. Every one of my hats is covered in pins. And I do wear caps a lot. And there is her information again. Alright. Let's see what's in this little box here. Little button earrings. Oh, Frankie! She must have been looking at my background in my unboxing videos to see that I do have an affinity for Frankie. Another one of these awesome phone stands. This one is the Creature from the Black Lagoon. And now I'm going to have to unpackage these and let you know what they are. I'll be right back. So what I have is a Frankie keychain. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And then, look at this thing. It is a pillowcase. Look at them. Oh my gosh. We got Wolfman, we got Dracula, we have Frankie, we have Creature from Black Lagoon, Bride of Frankenstein, the Mummy. This thing, is freaking amazing. I have to find a pillow that fits this, or maybe I'll have to make a pillow. This is amazing. I think it's a pillowcase. Let me see if there's an opening somewhere. I do feel like there's a zipper somewhere, maybe. So there is a zipper here. I just found it. So this is a pillowcase, but this is freaking glorious. This has all of the classic monsters. We have Creature from the Black Lagoon, we have the Wolfman, we have Dracula, or we have Dracula, we have Frankenstein, we have Bride of Frankenstein, and the Mummy. This thing is perfection. So for $25, I got a pillowcase, I gotten a pair of earrings, I got a beautiful bracelet or anklet, I don't know, we'll see. If it fits my ankle, I might put it on my ankle. We have this keychain, we have the pop socket, and we have the pin. So for $25, awesome, awesome, awesome. I love it. I also ordered, coming up, a Michael Myers box or a Halloween box, and also a Freddy box. Those are going to be gifts for my children because my son is the Michael Myers fan in the house, and my daughter is the Freddy lover in the house. You know, you raise them right. So they're also creepy lovers. So I will be doing the unboxing on those, but then I'm going to ask that they not check my videos, and I might not put the video on Instagram because I want to put the stuff that comes in this box in their stockings, or maybe I'll just give them the box. Who knows? All right, guys, that's it for Graveyard Offerings. Again, they make amazing boxes. This was $25. I got all of this for $25, and she comes up with new themes all the time. So the boxes that I ordered also, I think they were $25 a piece, but I also ordered one that was $37. So there's a lot of different things that she offers, including items that sold separately. So check her out on Etsy, Graveyard Offerings 13. I am totally in love with this box. Like, seriously, girl, Leah, you did your thing. This pillowcase is just perfection. I cannot wait to stuff it. I might just stuff it with pillow stuffing and just make it into a pillow. All right, guys, that's it, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.